Hi again from the 2026 Florida RV Supershow in Tampa. Today we're going to look at toy haulers, but not just any toy haulers. These are terrifically tiny units that I think you're going to enjoy. Let's dive in. If you're looking to go a little more off-grid, there is the Flyer Explorer. This 2026 trailer by inTech is completely aluminum, about 13 feet long and weighing about 3,000 pounds fully loaded, between just $1,450 and $2,110 pounds dry. Comes complete with a pull-out outdoor kitchen, another prep tray up front, storage for your propane, and here's the tank outside. Full-size spare. The kitchen is outside because, yes, this is a small toy hauler. And as you see in a lot of toy haulers, it has a pop-out bed, camping-style bed. The tip-out bed measures 46 by 81 inches, sleeping what inTech says up to 4 people. This was designed to take ATVs or motorbikes with a ramp weight rating of 2,200 pounds. It has 11.5 inches of ground clearance on 15-inch tires. There's heat, air conditioning. Optional is a 270-degree wraparound awning. Modern Buggy offers the compact Hopper 2 that can hold up to 1,200 pounds. This entry into the mini toy hauler is only 16 feet 2 inches long. Dry weight of $23.95. You know that's going to go up if you start putting some toys in here. It does sleep 4, and that's thanks to a big folding down Murphy bed. When it's up, you get a little work table. This toy hauler has more emphasis on trailer amenities, with a small standard galley featuring a 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink, microwave, and refrigerator looking to be larger than the 4.5 cubic feet listed online. The small wet bath is very basic, not even a vent in the roof. It carries 16 gallons fresh water, over 14 gray, and 22 black with a tankless water heater. Interior seating is a pair of folding stools, or the edge of the bed. The tent side has an 81 by 45-inch bed, while the Murphy is 50 by 74. The ramp is as wide as the trailer, but the usable inside width is squeezed by the wheel wells. Interestingly, I saw no tie-downs available on the floor. This is the Sunset Park Sunlite 14THX, another compact toy hauler. Overall, the trailer is 16 feet 2 inches, and for its size, there's an impressive amount of room. Plus you have the fold-out bed on the side. You can carry 36 gallons of fresh water in this one, gray water 30, and your black is 14. Look at this kitchen. I like the deep shelf above the refrigerator. Items will stay put in transit. As with their other models, you get this long rectangular sink. I'm a big fan. And in this one, the 2-burner stove is oriented front to back. There's a microwave, and notice the tie-downs extend all the way forward to the galley. Separate freezer. I like that. The cargo area is 10 feet 11 inches. It has a 6 foot 9 inch width. 2,800 pounds, very light. Of course, you load it up, you're going to have more. It's a powder-coated steel chassis. It's got aluminum siding and a walkable one-piece PVC roof membrane. Of course, the walls are also insulated. This is a very compact wet bath. If you don't like the wet bath, there's an outdoor shower. It is small, and there's no direct venting on the roof, just over the top of the door. That's a Murphy bed on the side that comes down, and when it's up, you get a little bit of a workspace. With the tip-out camp-style bed, this sleeps up to 4 people. And in the world of tiny trailer cabinets, a tiny trailer cabinet. Even if you took this out empty, look at the huge view you have out the back. All screened. You could sit right here and have your porch to the world. And you can have the actual porch if you like, by adding side rails. And this is the 2026 Sunset Park SunRay 139T. It's only 15 feet 5 inches long. and it weighs just 2,160 pounds. Of course, if you put something in it, it's going to weigh a little more. Unlike most manufacturers, SunRay believes in color. You can get up to maybe 15 different color combinations in these. That's impressive. You can carry a decent amount of water with it, 36 fresh and 30 black. Plenty of room for cargo on the outside. The nice thing about outdoor kitchens is you can make all the mess you want. Toy space is narrow, enough for a motorcycle, bikes, canoe, etc. This sleeps up to 3 people. Well, I don't know if you would call that a twin or a queen, but it's an RV something bed. It looks comfortable enough. All right, we're going to get the professional demonstration here because you know how it is when I try to do it. Now you've got a full-size bunk bed. Look at that. Of course, remove toys first. That's the hint. In addition to the outside kitchen, there is an interior sink and a microwave with a generous trailer-wide countertop, D-ring tie-downs on the floor, and a basic vented ceiling. A toilet or a closet. It could be either one. It could be both. I hope you enjoyed seeing these 4 terrifically tiny toy haulers. Perhaps they'll change the way you think about RVing and looking for new adventures down the road. I'll see you down the road, and be sure to check GPS and GPS2 for many more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.